Hey all, happy Dad Joke Friday. Will Healy here. And my daughter came home from school the other day with this joke, and I thought I'd share it with you. What is a bottle of shampoo's favorite subject in school? Shower and tell. I thought it was good. Okay, so today I want to share you an inspiring story, and I'll make sure the full video is down in the comments. But I saw a link shared, and I wish I could remember who shared it, but of a local Dallas CBS news station talking about a education program that recently was launched. And what's really cool about this program, we see a lot of education and engaging students and, seventh graders and catching high schoolers and all those things, but this program was specifically focused on the general public, on adults. And I really think this is important that we point out that there's a lot of opportunities for people in their next career, people doing what's called maybe their second act, or second chance citizens, or veterans returning to the workforce. There's so many opportunities for us to engage adults that want to work. And so I thought this was a really cool program. They're giving certifications to students. They're giving things like mechanical drives, controllers, fluid power, robotics. They're teaching people about this equipment so they can go and help in factories and warehouses around the local area. And so this is a profile of Dallas College, and there's a lot of great people interviewed in the story. I really recommend you watch it. It's about 6 minutes. But it's really inspiring because they talk about how programs like this are having a direct impact on individual people and employers in the local area. And, we have to act locally to have impact on the talent shortage that we have right now. And so programs like this, where they're teaching people robotics and they're teaching people fluid power, and they're really helping lift people up and give them second chances and help them in their next career, really powerful. What's really incredible is this is a game changer for students. It's no cost to students. It's paid through grants and through sponsorship from the PepsiCo company. But one of the quotes in there that just really was so powerful, I want to play for you now.
I've never been to a college. I've always wanted to go to a college. I've always wanted to stay in school. I couldn't. So the opportunity presented itself, and the fact that it was a door that was open and it didn't shut on me, that's what became the game changer.
Wow. I mean, that quote, every time I watch it, I start to tear up. I really, I'm blown away. The door of opportunity was held open long enough for her to step through. And that's what we want to do in our local communities. And that's how we really change the talent shortage that we're challenged with right now. So please, please, please watch the video. It's really great. And until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?